Hi, my name is Paulo. I'm 39 years old, and my experience here at Health and Balance has been fantastic. I came in here with a sore knee from a surfing, skimboarding injury and wasn't able to find healing despite getting an MRI and fortunately not having any ligament damage, which means I didn't have surgery. After a lot of rest and taking care of it, it wasn't healing, and after being out of the water for a long time, it wasn't a good thing for me. So I was really motivated to get back in the water to find a solution to healing, and came into Health and Balance, and I was impressed by how well of a job they did by kind of intaking all the information about me, not just related to my specific injury, why it brought me there, but other relating things that may be affecting the injury, for past injuries or goals of mine that influence kind of what brought me here. So I was really impressed by all that information they took about me during the initial consultation, so they could develop a plan that really was best suited for me. And I took all the home care and I came to all the treatments and was very committed to it all, and was impressed by the amount of results that I got in such a short period of time. My knee pain went away fairly quickly and I was feeling a lot better. It really impacted my livelihood. I was showing it better. I was just having a more optimistic point of view because I wasn't in pain anymore, for one, but also other areas of my health were feeling better, and I think that kind of spoke volumes in my relationships with my family, with my friends, and at work. It all kind of like improved. So I was really pleased with coming here and really enjoyed getting to know all the people who make this a special place, who are really here to care and bestow their expertise, and I've just enjoyed every part of it. So if you have any questions about coming here, you'll be more than surprised and pleased with your experience if it's anything like mine. So all the best. Thank you so much for your help.